I'm just taking a small quantity and just pressing it against it so that it's not wet and any shadow does not cling to it. I'm going to apply the eyeshadow. So I'm just first going to apply it very close to the lash line, like the upper lash line, and then pack the color in. Then I'll move and blend it. So I got this eyeshadow for 150 bucks from New Market, but yeah, this is in the shade 50/50 as I already mentioned, and this color was really nice. It was not bad, but one day I just broke it. I dropped it and it was like all gone. Then I had to set it again, and the pigment was kind of disturbed. So from that it just became patchy, but nothing like you cannot work with. So you can see already I'm working with it. So I just took a fluffier brush so that I can blend all the shade in, because it's really important or else it's not gonna look good. So I'm packing some more pigment to make it really opaque, and you guys can probably see that I extended the kind of wing, like I made a sort of wing with the eyeshadow itself. Then taking a wet tissue, I'm just going to clean up any fallout and just perfect the outer corner of that. And this is how exactly you should do it. You should just map your end of the eyebrows with where you want to end your eye. I'm just going to first draw a eyeliner, like a winged eyeliner. Then the star of the show, some glitter. This is again from Miss Claire. This is for 250 rupees and I am using it as a glitter eyeliner. You can totally use this by itself. You don't need to apply a golden liner. But if you want that, if you want it to look really nice and not kind of mess up, because I was not sure that if the glitter liner will show so nicely on top of this red eyeshadow, so I made sure that I have a base going on, and this is how it looks. So now what I'm doing is, just like you will cut your crease, you just apply some on your lid and then look up and then you get the mark. So that is what I did. While the eyeliner was still wet, I just looked up, made a mapping kind of thing, and then I'm just doing a double liner. If you like it, you can do it. If you don't, you can skip it. Taking a pencil brush, I'm applying the same red shade on my waterline, and also I applied the same golden pencil on my waterline again, because I was not supposed to use a kajal, because this is a gold and red thing, gold and red eyeshadow. So yeah, gold looks really pretty on the waterline. And next I'll curl my lashes, apply some mascara, and then move on to some falsies. One of my absolute favorite nudes from the MAC range, or in general, I love this lipstick. Of course, I had to do a red, right? So here it is. It's Relentlessly Red from MAC again, and this is a very pretty shade. So here we are done with the first Marima's video.
So guys, here's the end. Hope you liked the video. Visit femica.com now. Check out all clean and safe products and dive into the world of clean beauty. Thanks for watching the video.